All right, welcome back. Broken Pilot House, part 9 here. It's crazy. We've got 9 videos done so far. Coming along, I believe this is going to be the last bit of actual real fiberglass repair we're going to have to do. I'm going to recore this pulpit. I got to extend it back out like it's supposed to be. Should have been a curve right here is what it's looking like, and come back out. So we're going to square all that up. We're gonna cut all this out here and recore this thing, but before we do that, we're gonna have to take it off of the boat to get that done. So stay tuned, and we'll show you how it gets done. Better visual of the pulpit here. Next step, taking it off. We're gonna have to get the bow rail off of here completely from now. As you know from the last video, that was my leg. We set the this side off here. From here, we're gonna go ahead and take the bow rail all the way off and get ready for paint. All right, here we are. A few of these screws are already out, busted out. Gonna go underneath and get these with the impact here, using just standard DeWalt impact. And we're gonna go ahead and getting these screws loose here. Pretty much loose. There's just some nuts on the bottom side holding these on, so we're gonna go ahead and take those out. So here we go. Good catch, look at that. We're gonna do that and get to the top. All right, so I'm gonna give you an unconventional way to get these screws off. These 4 here and the other side on this front lip, I can't access, they can't reach them. I've broken a couple impact swivel sockets on them. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this unconventional. I'm gonna tighten these to the point that they snap the heads off of, and these 2 here I'm gonna grind off. That way I ain't gotta worry about accessing them. And then whenever I come back through, I'll figure out a way to tighten them in, but right now I just cannot get to them. So here we go. That's simple. Ain't gotta worry about fighting to get inside there to unscrew those nuts. I'm gonna get the grinder out for those 2, and I ain't gotta worry about boogering this up too much grinding. So just a quick little tip if you ever have that problem. All right, moving all the crap out around here. Here's our 2 nuts we gotta pull off to get that pulpit the rest of the way out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna be getting close to finishing this project. Stay tuned. Thank you for the help, Christina. I'm gonna record you.
What's that from?
Oh. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and grind these heads off here. Shouldn't take too long. there it is. That's simple. We got to go back and redo some of this glass, ferret it out. There's one little small spot right there where I hit it with the grinder. I'll ferret that out. You'll never know it was there. And then over here to the second and last spot. Move all my sockets real quick. Super simple. A little warm. That's all there is to it. Very simple task. Anybody can do it. Now getting them back in there is a different story. We'll have to come back in there with some nuts and everything. We are going to send this bow rail off to get repaired. As you see, it's got a nice kink in it right there. Just going to have somebody repair that, weld a new piece in, so we ain't got to spend a lot of money on this thing. All right, got the main things down today. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these. I got a little baseball game for my son tonight, so we're gonna wrap this up today and we'll start again fresh tomorrow. As you see, this side. All right, got the screws loose here, bolts loose. We'll see if this thing will come off. Not going to be that easy. All right, we're going to try and pull these bolts out. These are two coming out. So all right, and that is the pulpit. Completely routed out. Gonna take it down here, clean it up, get ready for some new glass. As you can see, it's just completely rotten. So what we're gonna do, the plan of attack here, we're gonna cut here with our little oscillating cutter. Cut a square around here, cut that out, Then we're going to cut down these lines here all the way down. And we're going to recore it completely. And then we're going to build this out to a nice little point on what we want. Just judging by this right here, it looks like it started to taper in here. This should be about the end of it right here. So we're not missing much of it. It is starting to curve here, so we definitely know our curve comes out to here and back here. So we'll draw this out on a sketch, a little cardboard template, and cut from there. All right, we got the bow rail dropped, laying down on the ground here, and it looks completely different. Time to get the top painted and get this thing on the water.